Hi, I'm Bart Taylor.
And I'm Matt Arndt.
Welcome to another RV Pro Tips episode. Today we're going to demonstrate how to replace the air filter in your Coleman AC if equipped. Whether you are looking to upgrade or just simply replace these items, you are in the right place.
So the good news is that Coleman has increased the filter efficiency in newer filters. This will help your air to be cleaner as you camp better. Hey Bart, did you know this thing has a Merv 9 rating?
Merv what?
Yeah, Merv 9. Tell them.
Filters are rated by a minimum efficiency reporting value, or Merv. The Merv 9 can remove up to 50% of particles sized 1 to 3 microns. Particles can be known as dust, dust mites, pet dander, pollen, and many other items. It's also suitable for people with allergies or asthma.
It's a good filter and easy to replace. We will demonstrate.
But first, let's start with safety. We do not recommend a chair to stand on. Instead, we prefer you use a stepladder for safe access to the filter. Remember, safety first.
Now that you can reach the filter, you can replace it. Loosen the thumb screws and drop the cover, exposing the filter.
Now this is important. This filter is a directional replacement air filter, just like what is found in your home.
Remove the old filter and replace it with a new one. Make certain to watch the orientation and install it correctly. You will notice the arrow on the side of the filter. The arrow represents the airflow, and the air conditioner is drawing air through the return vent located right here, through the filter and out through the vents in the RV.
That's it. Congratulations on changing your filter. Easy peasy.
If you found this video helpful or have other suggestions to camp better, please leave us a comment. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more RV Pro tips on the operation and maintenance of your Keystone RV. Visit us at KeystoneRV.com or download the My Keystone mobile app for additional content. And thanks for watching.
And don't forget the like button.